first, the device should be power on first. So on the device, you show menu here. Next, I need to open the Notice Toolbox. So on the Notice Toolbox, have one icon is DFU. This is upload the firmware function. So click on the DFU form. I need to select the firmware first. So browse the storage. Oh, I select this is the DFU firmware. I select this one. Okay. Next, I need to select the device. So you see this Bluetooth broadcast. I select this one. Last one, I need to click upload button. So when after I click, you see my device, the LED light is blue. So now it's uploading. Okay, firmware upload complete. So on the device screen, you saw the latest one version menu here. So we back to Toolbox. Here we have Alt. This Alt icon to connect to device. So on the Alt, we have 9 boxes here. Each box have a different protocol. So I tried first. I added first one. So first one, this is a number 1 protocol. Second one is number 2 protocol. This and so on. So after I added this protocol, then click done. So now I need to send the protocol into device. So I need to connect to device first. Connect to zip. Yeah. On the left, we can look the log. This is a connection log and the communication log. So first I send the number 2 to device. So number 2 is set up the day and time. So you see the log. I send this command, and the last have number 2 okay received. And at the same time, you can see this one on the screen. So you see the time is same as I send to device this one. Okay, other communication are sent, so you can try by yourself. Okay, disconnect.